Want to know how to change bindings in Paladins? So if your key bindings are on default and you want to customize them, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize them and you can play with changes in your keyboard or keybind according to your device, maybe controller or your keyboard. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game and you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're there, on the top right side, right beside your friends icon, you should be seeing settings. So you can just simply select it. Now once you have selected settings here, you should be seeing by default you should be under video, and on the rightmost side you should be seeing bindings right here. So you can just simply select it. I can see various settings, so you can choose from all champions to the selected ones from all heroes right here. So as you can see, you can just simply select any one of these and you can just simply scroll down and you can just simply add it accordingly. So you can just simply select a key binding and then select any one of these to change it, just like this right here. Now to reset it, you can just simply select reset binding and you're good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you on the next one.